Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome. Well, we're gathered here today to celebrate the civil marriage of Christopher Van Hansen II and Shirley Cristina Zambrano. Before you met, your lives were on separate roads, each going in different directions. But somewhere along the way you met, Chris later sent Shirley a message through social media. You didn't know it was going to work that great, right? Then started dating, fell in love, been together for a year and a half, and today you find yourselves in front of us, standing together at the entrance of a new path that will forever join your one separate journeys into one.
Shirley, moments like this is what life is all about. The day that everyone says will fly by in seconds, but will last a lifetime in our memories. From the moment I met you, I knew my life would be forever changed. You are not just my partner, but my best friend and my home. Life is not about the things you have, but the foundation you build, the family and friends you create memories with, and the people you love. And I can't wait to make more memories with you, our soon-to-be baby girl, Kylan Bear, and our family. I can't wait to see where our story takes us. I love you so much. You are my world. Mi amorcito.
Mi Cristi, para ti, mi vida. Estoy extremadamente orgullosa de ti. Desde que eras una niña, siempre has sabido lo que querías y has ido tras ello. Estoy segura de que en este nuevo capítulo de tu vida estará lleno de felicidad y amor.
Cristina vino en mi vida en el año de 1986, cuando yo tenía 4 años. Mi mamá, sin preguntarme, la trajo a mi vida, pensando que yo necesitaba una hermanita. Ella vino a quitarme mi reinado, mi corona, como que yo necesitaba. Pero sin embargo, nos queremos demasiado. Cristina, estoy muy orgullosa de ti. Yo sé que en tu nueva etapa de vida, como casada, vas a hacerlo muy bien. Y sé que ahora como esposa, como mamá, vas a hacer lo mejor, la mejor de siempre.
This guy I've known for 10 plus years. We live together. We've been best friends. We've wrestled around the apartment. We've broken ankles. We've done all kinds of stuff. And just the fact that you're happy, man, that's amazing. And I'm glad that he found someone that he truly deserves and to help him bring him up, because marriage is about loving one another. It's about just total unity.
My sweet Christopher, ever since you came into my life, I have felt nothing but happiness. I have waited my whole life for someone like you, and I still can't believe it, we're here together. I prayed for you and I prayed for our baby for so long that at times I thought it might never happen. But God is gracious. And here we are.
Oh my God. You look so beautiful.
And you look so handsome.
I love it.
It's the last minute. Living with you has been nothing short of magical, and a treasure of nightly cuddles or spontaneous adventures and the love we share. One of the things that made me fall in love with you was the way you cared for Kylan. The love and tenderness you showed her remind me of how my grandfather treated me. It was in those moments that my heart was drawn to you in a way that I have never felt before.
One thing that I really have to say, when the bride and the groom in their message say in Spanish, te amo, that's the highest degree of love. It's the highest degree of love that you can express. So I thank you for mentioning that small word that means a lot. Love, loyalty, and understanding are the foundations of a happy and enduring home. And true love is respect, admiration, compassion, and commitment.
As we look into the future, I'm deeply in love with you and eagerly anticipate all of the memories we will create together along with our girls.
I promise to always support you, encourage you, vow to cherish and respect you, listen and be there for you in times of joy or sadness, I promise to love you every day, laugh with you in times of happiness, and stand by you through whatever life may bring us.
I vow to be loyal, patient, and kind, and to embrace Skyline as my own. I commit to standing by your side through all of the life's ups and downs, honoring our marriage and sharing the family we're building together. I love you more than words can express, and I'm thrilled for the journey that lies ahead with you.
By the power and the authority vested in me by the state of Georgia, pronounce you both husband and wife.
En este día especial me gustaría compartir con ustedes algunas de las cosas que tengo aquí en mi corazón. Y el matrimonio es una de las ceremonias más sagradas frente a nuestro Señor Jesucristo. Por eso, deseo que ambos tengan un matrimonio lleno de amor, felicidad y alegría. Pero más importante, deseo que ustedes tengan el amor y la sabiduría para crear una relación que los ayudará a navegar en este nuevo mundo que están creando juntos. Siempre recuerden que sin importar qué, el amor de Jesús debe ser lo primero en todas las decisiones que tomen. Estoy emocionada por ver qué depara el futuro para ti y tu nueva familia. Chris, bienvenido a mi familia, bienvenido. Te recibo con mis brazos abiertos y celebremos hoy esta unión.
Te casaste, encontraste el amor de tu vida y fue algo que, por fin. Dios mío, yes. Te escuchó tu rezar. Que te venga tu esposo y lo encontraste. Fue muy maravilloso. I love you guys, and you guys make a beautiful couple, and welcome to the family, Chris. We love you.